And we finally have a thunderstorm here in Crossville, Tennessee. The wind just suddenly picked up. Oh, that was gorgeous. Did you guys catch that? I'm gonna go back and try to take pictures of that one. Oh man, I'm getting wet. I don't know how much longer I'm gonna be able to sit out here. That was bomb. I hear you, Mother Nature. I knew this was coming. I knew it.
Stay. Oh!
Shh. I just got a beautiful, beautiful lightning strike and nice crash of thunder. It was incredible. Check that out. This is freaking awesome. I love it.
Shh.
Oh, wow. Oh, baby. The weather station is going like crazy.
Oh, it's raining. Yeah.
Yeah, for like the first time in like 2 weeks, I swear. Look at this.
All right, have fun getting short.
Turn the air conditioner off!
Oh,
Turn
dang.
the air conditioner off!
Ooh.
Oh! Oh! Over there!
I know. It's okay, Sienna. It's all right. It's just a little thunder. It's okay. I've gotten some nice zaps over there.
Here comes the rain. You see it down there?
Yeah, I know. It's coming like a sheet. Oh, crap. Now I'm getting cold. Holy Macintosh
Let's get
apples.
inside.
Time to go in. All right.
Move.